Numbers chapter 3 verses 40 to 43. Verse 40. Wayomer Yahweh el Moshe Pekod kal Bekor Zakar Livne Israel Miben Hodes Wamaela Wesa et Mispar Semotam. Verse 41. Wela kata et halwiyim li ani Yahweh tahat kal bekor bivne Israel we et behemat halwiyim tahat kal bekor behemat bene Israel. Verse 42. Wayifkod Moshe Kaaser Siwa Yahweh Oto et Kal Bekor Bivne Israel. Verse 43. Wahikal Bekor Zakar Bemispar Semot Miben Hodes Wamala Lip Kodehem Senaim we Esrim Elep Selosa we Sibim Umataim. Parsing. Verse 40. Wayomer, verb kal, imperfect, third person masculine singular with waw consecutive, translated as and he said. Yahweh, noun masculine singular, translated as Lord. El Moshe, preposition, then noun masculine singular, which is translated to Moses, and then Pekod, verb imperative masculine singular, which is translated as number, and then Kal Bekor, which has a preposition, and then a noun masculine singular, which is translated as all firstborn, and then Zakar, noun masculine singular, male, and then Livne with preposition, then noun masculine singular, to, a son, and then Yisrael, noun masculine singular, translated as Israel, and then Miben Hodes, preposition, and then noun masculine singular, to, noun masculine singular, which is translated to from a son of a month. Then Wamale Wama Ela, which is conjunction wow, and then adjective feminine singular, translated as and upwards. And then the next one would be wasa, conjunction wow, verb kal imperative masculine singular, which is translated as and take. And then et, which is a definite direct object marker. And then mispar, noun masculine singular, translated as number. And semotam, noun masculine singular, pronominal suffix type 1/3 masculine plural, which is translated as their names. And verse 40 is translated as, and the Lord said to Moses, number all the firstborn males of the sons of Israel from a month old and upwards, and take the number of their names. Verse 41, welakata, verb kal perfect second person masculine singular with waw consecutive, translated as and you will take. And then et halwiyim, definite direct object marker plus noun masculine plural and definite article, which translated as the Levites. And then li, preposition and then pronominal suffix type 1, which is translated as for me. And then ani, personal pronoun, first person common singular, translated as I. And then Yahweh, noun masculine singular, Lord. Tahat, preposition, instead of. And then kal bekor, preposition plus noun masculine singular, all firstborn. Bivne, preposition plus noun masculine plural in sons. Israel, noun masculine singular, Israel. We'et, conjunction wow, definite direct object marker, translated as and. And then behemat, noun feminine singular, cattle. Halwiyim, noun masculine plural, definite article, the Levites. Tahat, preposition instead of. Kal bekor, preposition noun masculine singular, all firstborn. Bevehemat, preposition noun feminine singular, in akato. Bene, noun masculine plural, sons. Yisrael, noun masculine singular, Israel. And verse 41 is translated as, and you shall take the Levites for me, I am the Lord, instead of all the firstborn of the sons of Israel, and the cattle of the Levites, instead of all the firstborn in the cattle of the sons of Israel. Verse 42, wayipkod, verb kal imperfect third masculine singular with waw consecutive, translated as and he numbered. Moshe, noun masculine singular, Moses. Kaaser, Kaasher, preposition plus relative pronoun, as whom, siwa, verb PL perfect third masculine singular, he commanded, Yahweh noun masculine singular, Lord, Oto, definite direct object marker, pronominal suffix type 1 third masculine singular, him, et kal bekor, definite direct object marker, preposition plus noun masculine singular, translated as all firstborn, and then bivne, preposition plus noun masculine plural, insans, noun, and Yisrael, noun masculine singular, translated as Israel. And verse 42 is translated as, and Moses numbered all the firstborn in the sons of Israel as whom the Lord commanded him. Verse 43, Wayhi, verb kal imperfect third masculine singular with dwaw consecutive, translated as and it happened. Kal bakor, kal bikor, preposition plus noun masculine singular, all firstborn. And then zakar, noun masculine singular, male. Be mispar, bemispar, preposition noun masculine singular, in a number. Semot, noun masculine plural, names. Mi ben Hodesh, mi ben Hodesh, preposition plus noun masculine singular, then noun masculine singular, from a son of a month. And then wamala, conjunction wow, adjective feminine singular, and upwards. And then lip code dehem, preposition verb kal passive participle, masculine plural, plus pronominal suffix type 2 third person masculine plural, translated as to those who were numbered of them. And then Shenaim, which is number, noun, 2. Then we esrim, which has conjunction wow, and then number, translated as and 20. And then elef, number, masculine singular, 1,000. And then another number, selos, shelosha, noun, number, masculine singular, 3. Sivim, conjunction wow, number, masculine plural, and 70. And then umatayim, conjunction wow, number, noun, masculine dual, and 200. So the verse 43, Numbers 3 verse 43 is translated as, and it happened, all the firstborn males in the number of names, from a month old and upwards, to those who were numbered of them, 22,273.